Hey, today's video is going to be about Synopsys Recruitment. If you want to know about the details on your own, you can check the link from the description box. But don't forget to stay tuned to this video till the end because we will be covering up all the major details regarding eligibility, how to apply and all the parameters that you need to set to land in this company. So, if you want to know about the details plus the links to directly apply, land in Freshers Now website because Freshers Now page is going to give you not only the details but the links to start applying as well. So why waste your chance? Grab this opportunity and check out the Freshers Now page and start applying for the position if you meet all the eligibility criteria. And for more regular job updates like this, you can always come and gather us on Telegram channel because Telegram Freshers Now channel will give you the opportunity and the right place to gather all the job updates. So don't miss this chance and click on the link which is placed in the description box and join us immediately. The opening in Synopsys company is for R&D Engineer and the parameters are as follows. The place posting is going to be in Bangalore and the job description and requirements is as follows. So Synopsys HAPS, this is a prototyping solution which improves time to market and also helps to avoid costly device and enabling the embedded software's development, and this will be delivering up solutions dramatically and accelerating all the software development, hardware verification, system validations and other individual IP blocks. What is the responsibility that you will be taking up? In this position, you would be responsible for designing, developing, troubleshooting, debugging and maintaining the efficiency of software systems for logic, timing, optimization, technology, mapping, etc. And the person will be expected to give the requirement or functional specifications of the design, implement efficient data structures and algorithms in C, C++, and work in AE team, test planning, execution and customer support, maintain and support existing product and features. The person is also expected to have the eligibility criteria regarding education, B.Tech, M.Tech in CS or EE, from the reputed institute, and freshers also can apply, or even if you have 1 or 2 years of experience in the related field, you can also apply. So experience in designing, developing and maintaining large EDA software, and also those kind of candidates are welcome to apply. Good knowledge in data structures, graph algorithms and C, C++ programming on Windows, and familiarity with digital logic design, familiarity with other RTL level designs, working knowledge of FPGA, static time engine is going to be a good plus or a weightage to your profile. And the job category is under engineering. It is under the subcategory of R&D engineering. So if you want to apply, you can just click on this button here. You will have different options of signing in. You can also sign in with your LinkedIn, Facebook or your Twitter account. If you do not have an account yet, you can just click here, do not have an account. Then it will take you to the policy page and you can just click on agree and give your email password, re-enter your password, give a question of selecting your question and then you have to continue. So likewise you can do your application process. If you have any other queries regarding this, please, you're welcome to place all of them in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.